Hello, this time we'll be doing lesson 8 to 10. And to start with, we're doing the collector. It is in both A and B, so you might remember. If not, please watch the video. Move Laurel and get as much treasure. For now, we'll only get the top 5. Like that. When you're done, you can press finish because you might just be experimenting around. Now, as normal, I'll only help you with the last 2. So first, what we need to do? You're saying first we need to do repeat 3 times. Got it? Then, of course, it'll have a get diamonds. And you're saying to put east before or after. That's clever. But this time of 4, south and diamond. And last 4, west. See? Now we'll just go to 15th. So you can take as many as you want. For now, we'll only take this much. You can make a swirl type, or you can do it like that. The many options. You just need to pick one. So you can get as many as you want. Continue. Please watch this video. Here we're gonna make a giraffe head, which is a bit funny, but it's nice. And you can add it to projects if you want. And now you'll see the loops. I'll help you with the last 2. If you've come this way, you must know a bit about it now. And as you see, there are only 4 lines, only 4. But how are we supposed to, move? Suppose jump. You're saying west. Yes, but we can't connect the lines. We're not supposed to. You're saying there's this jump west? Okay. Jump in the last as well. Here we have made whatever we thought we saw. You can also make it a diamond. Like that. See? Make whatever you think. Looks nice. The right app. Everyone uses computers these days, especially smartphones. Smartphones apps help people to do things like talk to friends, listen to music, shop, or just browse the web. It's important for programmers to understand others' needs and design apps with them in mind. This means once you're done with lesson 10 reading, you can just see. It is important. This line is what you kind of need to do. It is important for programmers like you to understand others' needs and design apps with them in mind. So perhaps you can do some coding normally, and you can shortlist the things that you think of computer needs and other needs. What other people need in apps. If you're ever gonna make one, you can write them all on a short piece of paper So please do this once you're done with this video. Bye, meet you next time.